Hello everyone and welcome back to my Lightway YouTube channel. Today, I'll be sharing some valuable insights that we know you'll enjoy. Sit back, grab your favorite drink and let us get started. Today's video talks about self-love, the key to happiness and success on Maya's life. If you liked the video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to our channel for more great content. Let us go to the video soon. Once upon a time, in a bustling city filled with dreams and ambitions, there lived a young woman named Maya. Maya had always been hardworking and driven, constantly striving to achieve success and happiness in every aspect of her life. She believed that by pouring all her energy into her career, relationships, and personal goals, she would finally find the fulfillment she longed for. However, despite all her efforts, Maya found herself feeling empty and exhausted, as if something crucial was missing from her life. One day, while aimlessly browsing through a bookstore, Maya stumbled upon a book titled The Power of Self-Love, Unlocking Happiness and Success. Intrigued by the idea, she decided to give it a chance and started reading. As the pages unfolded, Maya's perspective on life began to change. She learned that self-love was not a selfish act, but rather the foundation upon which happiness and success were built. It was about recognizing her own worth, embracing her strengths, and accepting her flaws. Maya realized that she had been so busy seeking validation from others that she had forgotten to love and appreciate herself. With a newfound determination, Maya started a journey of self-discovery. She made a conscious effort to practice self-care and prioritize her well-being. She began to nurture her mind, body, and soul, engaging in activities that brought her joy and peace. Whether it was taking long walks in nature, practicing yoga, or indulging in her favorite hobbies, Maya made time for herself, allowing her spirit to rejuvenate. As Maya cultivated self-love, she noticed significant changes in her life. Her relationships blossomed as she set healthy boundaries and surrounded herself with people who uplifted her. She no longer sought validation from others but instead relied on her own judgment and intuition. Maya discovered that she was capable of making decisions that aligned with her values and brought her genuine happiness. Moreover, Maya's career began to flourish as she developed a deep sense of self-confidence and belief in her abilities. She realized that success was not merely measured by external achievements but by the fulfillment and satisfaction she found in her work. Maya became more resilient in the face of challenges, viewing them as opportunities for growth rather than setbacks. Her self-love propelled her to take risks, chase her dreams, and embrace the limitless possibilities that lay before her. Through her journey, Maya discovered that self-love was not a destination but an ongoing process. It required continuous practice, self-reflection, and compassion. Maya learned to silence her inner critic and replace self-doubt with self-acceptance. She understood that loving herself was not conditional on her achievements or external validation, but rather an unwavering commitment to her own well-being and happiness. With self-love as her guiding light, Maya's life transformed into a beautiful tapestry of joy, fulfillment, and success. She radiated a contagious energy that inspired those around her to embark on their own journeys of self-love. Maya became a beacon of hope, reminding everyone she encountered that the key to happiness and success lay within themselves. And so, dear reader, remember Maya's story as a gentle reminder that you too hold the power to unlock a life filled with happiness and success. Embrace self-love, nurture it, and watch as it weaves its magic into every aspect of your existence. You are worthy, you are deserving, and you are capable of creating a life that fills your heart with joy. Thank you for watching our video and making it all the way to the end. We hope you enjoyed today's insights and learned something new. If you like to contact me, Facebook and Instagram link in channel description. We also want to hear what you think, so leave us a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you soon.